Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is October 29, 2021. Let's talk about top biotech stocks. Biotech is one of my favorite sectors. I love investing in biotech, especially when these stocks are down on a big bad news around FDA approvals or some clinical trials. So with that, let's do a quick market update. Look at top biotech stocks with the rule of 40, where gross margin plus sales growth greater than 40%. These are great growth candidates here. Then also let's look at the top biotech stocks with a positive sales growth and positive gross margin. Sometimes rule of 40 is too restrictive, so I want to catch a few more companies just with the positive sales growth and positive gross margin. So with that, let's jump in and get started. From a market update perspective, we got here Dow Jones Industrial Average did very nicely yesterday, and we got Nasdaq also did nicely, and S&P 500 also did great yesterday. Today, futures are pointing to a lower opening today. We'll see how it goes, mainly because both Amazon.com and Apple they had a little bit bad earnings. So with that, let's jump in here. Look at the top biotech ETFs. So from an ETF or exchange traded perspective, these are the top biotech ETFs. We got XLV, which is healthcare in general. As you can see here, healthcare done great in 10 years. Even if you just put your money in healthcare and did nothing, you would have had a nice return in 10 years, even 5 year and 1 year. And then we got here biotech. Biotech is a little more volatile, as you can see here. It's done great in 10 years, as you can see here. But 1 year it's just 8%. That's why it's a great time to buy biotech. Right now it's, as you can see, a little bit down, just 8%. RSI is low. And then you got your Cathy Wood's company here, human genomics here. That's also down, as you can see here. In 1 year, it's just done 8%. That's why it's a good one to buy here. It's done great in 5 years, as you can see here. And then you got IBB. IBB is again biotech ETF here. It's also not done great in 1 year, but if you look at 10 years and 5 years, it's done great. So with that, what we'll do is we'll look at these biotech stocks here and see how we can benefit. As you can see here, RSI is low for biotech stocks here. That's when we go in and buy quality stocks and take it from there. Now let's jump in here and look at the top biotech stocks. I want to make sure the volume is greater than 1 million shares, so that way these are liquid stocks, you can get in, get out, and it's really steady eddy type stocks here. And we want to make sure sales growth and gross margin greater than 40%. That way these are growth companies, we could put our money in and take it from there. So with that, here are the top biotech stocks here. As you can see here, we got ALNY, RVNC. All the stocks you see at the top here, they got nice, sales growth and nice gross margin. And also, as you scan through here, they've got low RSI. And then you got few more here. Again, there is a nice sales growth and gross margin as usual. You could look at that one, those ones too. And as you scan through here, ALNY, it had a big down day yesterday, and it's been down for a while. I think it's a good one to buy. Nice biotech stock here, has done great in 1 year and 5 years. Right now, it's having some temporary weakness here. I would put money here and take it from there. As you scan through, we got few more here: RVNC, Kala, AMRN, all great stocks here. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and as you see, your stocks are depressed at these levels here. Keep watching insider buying. Little company CASI here, $1 stock. Insiders are buying here. You could buy along with them. Right now, stock is starting to turn around, as you can see here. And then we got here PTE here, just 57-cent stock here. Insiders are buying, as you can see here. Stock is trying to turn around, as you can see here. That's a good one here. I also love stocks like Biomarin, BioCryst here, good one. Precigen, and INCY, all great stocks here. You could buy at these levels and go from there. Keep watching how the stocks are doing in 1 day, 5 day, 10 day, and if there's a bounce here, as you can see here, RVNC bouncing here, AMRN, same story, low price stock here. You could buy that one too. And as you see here, we got Vertex Pharma trying to bounce here. That's a great biotech stock here. And we got few more here. We got Incyte also trying to bounce here. Good one here. All these stocks are trying to bounce here after the big, couple weeks and months here. And next we'll look at a few more here. What we'll do now is sometimes the rule of 40 becomes too restrictive. It's good to sort out good winners, but we want to open up and look at few more stocks. That's why in this one I have made sure growth is positive here from a sales growth perspective, and gross margin is also positive. So we get some of these names you normally don't get in the rule of 40 type screening here. So with that, here we got here great stocks here, positive sales growth, positive gross margin as you can see here. And we got beaten down stocks as you see here. We got great stocks like ALNY. I love that stock here. We got Precigen, INSMAD, Vertex, all great stocks here, beaten down. Keep watching the RSI levels, low RSI as you can see here. And as you see here, few of these stocks have got nice insider buying with Vertex 8% here, PTE 5%, CASI 10%, great ones to buy and really electrify your portfolio as they say, and take it from there. Keep watching 1 day, 5 day here. Many of these stocks, after being beaten down for a while, they're trying to turn around. You could buy along and go from there. So with that, thank you very much. Here is a quick cheat sheet around entry point and exit point. When the RSI is less than 55, you could buy slowly and accumulate. That tells you stock is oversold. On the other hand, if the RSI levels are higher, be careful. There will be always a pullback for you to jump in, and you can jump in at that time. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.